In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font on this Samsung. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down just a bit and tap on display section. Following that, scroll down again, tap on font size and style, and lastly, swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview above. So now when I go back, as you can see, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!